Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, welcome back to the online class. So, I hope you all have done your exams well. Is it? Is it very easy? Yes. So, from today we are going to start our second term portions. So, first let's start with articles. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about articles. So, there are three articles in English grammar: a and the. A and the. Okay. A and the. So we use these articles before the nouns. Okay. We use these articles before the nouns. So first let us learn about the article an. Okay. Where to use an. So we place an before the vowel sound. We place an before the vowels and vowel sounds. So what are the vowels in English alphabet? So there are 5 vowels in English alphabet, isn't it? What are they? So they are A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels in English alphabets. So we have to place the article an before the words starting with these vowels. Okay. So we place an before the vowels and vowel sounds. For example, see here an apple. An apple. So apple start with the letter A. A is a vowel, isn't it? So an apple. So we have to place an before the word apple. Okay. See the next one. An engine. An engine. So engine starts with the letter E. So E is a vowel, isn't it? So we have to place an before the word engine. Okay. The next one is an igloo. An igloo. Igloo starts with the letter I. I is also vowel, isn't it? So we have to place an before the word. Okay. Next one is an owl. An owl. So it starts with the letter O. It is also a vowel, isn't it? And the last one is an umbrella. An umbrella. So umbrella starts with the letter U. U is a vowel. So we have placed an before the word umbrella. So is it clear, children? So we place an before the vowel sounds. And you all know what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels. So we have to place the article an before the words starts with these vowel and vowel sounds. So vowels and vowel sounds. What are vowel sounds? See the word hour. See the word hour. H-O-U-R. Hour. How do we pronounce this word? It is hour. No, it is not right one. It is hour. Hour. So it is H is silent. So here H is silent. So how do we pronounce hour? So it starts with the vowel sound ow. So ow, o. So here we have to place an before the word hour. Okay. Hour. It's not hour. It's hour. Okay. So it starts with the vowel sound ow. Hour. So it starts with the vowel sound. So we have to place an before the word hour. Okay. So like that we have to place the article an before the words starting with vowels and vowel sound. So is it clear, children? Yes. Let's move on to the next article. Next one is a. A. Next one is a. So we have to place a before the words that begin with other letters of the alphabet. So we have to place a before the words that begin with other letters of the alphabet. So apart from vowels. Okay. For that kind of words, we have to place a before the words. Okay. For example, see the example. A chair. A table. A swan. A chair. A table. A swan. Okay. So here C is not a vowel, and here T is not a vowel, and here S is not a vowel, isn't it? So here we have placed a, a chair, a table, a swan. Okay. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next we'll move on to the next article. The. So when we talk about particular thing or a person So when we talk about a particular thing or a person, then we use the article they. The. Okay. When we talk about a particular thing or a person, we use the article the. Okay. And also we try to say something which is mentioned before. For that also we have to put the article the. Okay, see the example. The Himalayas are great mountains. The Himalayas. So here they mention some particular place, Himalayas, isn't it? The Himalayas are great mountains. Okay, next one is the sun. The sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. Okay. So when we talk about a particular thing or a person, we have to use the article the. Okay. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next one. Choose the words from the box and place them in column A and in column B with suitable articles a or an. Choose the words from the box and place them in column A and in column B with suitable articles a or an. So we have to find out the words and we have to place a or an before the words. Okay. So some of the words they have given. See, window, onion, glass, shoe, animal, candle, coat, orange, monkey, igloo, ink pot, arrow, parrot, arm, hand. This one is hour, isn't it? So we are going to separate these words, those who are having the article a in column A and those who have the article an in column B. So we have to separate these words. Okay. So for window, which article should come before the word window? Window. So window does not start with the word vowel letter, isn't it? So they have already given a window. A window. And next one is onion. Onion. So it starts with the letter O. It is a vowel, isn't it? So we have to place the article an before the word onion, isn't it? So an onion. An onion. And next word is glass. Next word is glass. So the first letter is not a vowel, isn't it? G is not a vowel and it's not a vowel sound. Glass. So which article should come? A glass, isn't it? A glass. A glass, isn't it? See the next one. Shoe. Shoe. So it's not a vowel sound, and see the first letter of the word. It is S, isn't it? And S is not a vowel, isn't it? So we have to place the article yeah. A shoe, isn't it? A shoe. So the third one will be a shoe. A shoe. And the next one is animal. Next one is animal. Animal. So it starts with the letter A. It is a vowel, isn't it? So which article should come? An, isn't it? An animal. So it should come in column B. An animal. Because it starts with the letter A. A is a vowel, isn't it? So we have placed the article an before the word animal. Is it clear, children? Yes. And next one is, after animal, candle is there. Candle. Candle. It's not a vowel sound, and it starts with C. Isn't it? It starts with C, and C is a vowel? No, C is not a vowel, isn't it? So which article should come before the word candle? A candle, isn't it? A candle. So here the fourth one will be a candle. A candle. Is it clear? Yes. The next one will be, after candle, coat. 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 So it starts with C. It is also not a vowel. So here it should come in column A, isn't it? So it should come in column A. So it is a coat. A coat, isn't it? The next word will be orange. 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 So it starts with the vowel sound, and also it starts with the letter O. O is a vowel, isn't it? So here which article should come before the word orange? An orange, isn't it? An orange. Clear, children? An orange. So it should come in column B. Okay. And the next word is monkey. 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 And the first letter is M. M is a vowel? No, M is not a vowel. And is not a vowel sound, isn't it? So which article should come? A monkey, isn't it? A monkey. The next one is igloo. Just now we have seen igloo. And igloo, because it starts with the letter I. I is a vowel. So here we have placed an. Is it clear, children? The next word is ink pot. Ink pot. Ink. So it starts with the letter I. I is a vowel. So which article should come? An ink pot. An ink pot. Is it clear? Yes. Next one is arrow. Arrow. So it is also starts with the vowel A. So an arrow. An arrow. So it is also come under column B. Okay. And the next word is parrot. Parrot. So it is not a vowel. So the article A should come. A parrot. Okay. A parrot. The next word is arm. Arm. It starts with the letter vowel letters A, isn't it? So, an arm. An arm. The next one is hand. Hand. Here we pronounce it as hand, not and. It is hand. So H is not silent here, isn't it? It is hand. So it is not a vowel sound. So here we have to place A, the article A, isn't it? Because it is not a vowel sound. Okay, hand. H is not silent here. Okay. The last one is hour. So here H is silent. So we pronounce it as hour. So it starts with the vowel sound A, O. So here we have to place the article an before the word hour. So is it all clear, children? Yes. Where we have to place A and where we have to place an. So if the word starts with vowel or vowel sound, then we have to place the article an. Okay. So we have to place the article A before the word starting with other than the vowel letters. Okay. Other than the vowels. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. So help these animals and birds and write their names on the name plates hanging from their necks. So we are going to name the animals. Okay. See the picture. So what is the first animal in the picture? Here it is a dog, isn't it? It is a dog. Dog. D. So it is not a vowel. So here I am a dog. I am a dog. I am a dog. See the next one. What is this? It's a picture of ostrich. Isn't it? Ostrich. Ostrich. So what is the first letter? Ostrich. Oh, isn't it? It is a vowel. So, which article should come? I am an ostrich. Isn't it? I am an ostrich. I am an ostrich. Because ostrich starts with the letter O. It is a vowel, isn't it? So we have to place an before the word ostrich. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes. The next one is, what is this? Owl, isn't it? It is owl. So here, which article should come? Owl. Owl starts with O. It is a vowel. So we have to place an before it, isn't it? So I am an owl. I am an owl. Okay, is it clear, children? Next one is, it is a bird. It is a bird. So bird. B. Bird starts with B. B is a vowel? No, isn't it? It is not a vowel. So we have to place a bird. I am a bird. I am a bird. Okay. So like that, you are going to finish the next 3 animals. Okay. Which article should come? You should understand. And then write the articles before the word. Okay. Before its name. Okay, children. Yes. Let's move on to the next one. Who am I? The answer is given in the brackets in jumbled words. Okay. Who am I? The answer is given in brackets in jumbled words. So here they have given the word in jumbled letters. Okay, so we are going to rearrange the letters. So clear, children? Yes. See the first one. I am a great mountain in India. I am a great mountain in India. So what is a great mountain in India? See the letters L, H, I, M. Himma. So Himma. So which one? Which one is great mountain in India? Himalayas, isn't it? Himalayas. Himalayas. So they have mentioned the particular place, isn't it? So which article should come? When we talk about particular place, thing or person, which article should come? The article the, isn't it? So I am the Himalayas. 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 Okay, I am the Himalayas. Okay. Let's see the next one. I am a holy book of Hindus, of the Hindus. I am a holy book of the Hindus. You know which book is holy book of Hindus? Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? So here they have given A-I-G-T. A-I-G-T. So Gita. So I am G-I-T-A. Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? So I am. Here also they have mentioned a particular thing, particular book, isn't it? So the article the should come. The Gita. Okay. Is it clear, children? Yes. So the rest we will send you as PDF. So you are going to find out the word and finish the sentence. Okay, children? Yes. Next, we will move on to the next one. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. So here we are going to fill the blanks with suitable articles A and B. Okay. So see, dash aeroplane is dash aeroplane is dash aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with the letter A. So A is vowel, isn't it? A is a vowel. So which article should come? An, isn't it? An aeroplane. So an aeroplane is dash flying machine. Is dash flying machine. Yes. So F flying. F is not a vowel. So which article should come? Isn't it? An aeroplane is a flying machine. Next sentence. It is dash wonderful machine. It is dash wonderful machine. Wonderful. W is not a vowel, isn't it? So here also the article A should come. It is a wonderful machine. Is it clear, children? It is a wonderful machine. And next one, next sentence. It looks like a bird. It looks like a bird. It is one of dash fastest means to travel. It is one of dash fastest means to travel. So here they specified the planes, isn't it? So they specified planes, a particular thing. So it is one of the most, so that like that. So it is one of the fastest. It is one of the fastest means to travel. Here again dash aeroplane. So an aeroplane. Like we have done just now, an aeroplane. Because it starts with the letter A. A is a vowel. So we have placed an. An aeroplane uses petrol. So there are big as well as small aeroplanes. So there are big as well as small aeroplanes. It is not safe to fly an aeroplane in dash storm or bad weather. Storm. Storm. So S is not a vowel. So here the article A should come, isn't it? So it is not safe to fly an aeroplane in a storm or bad weather. Pilots, dash pilots, have to be very well trained. Dash pilots. A pilots? No. A should come before singular noun, isn't it? So here also they talk about the particular professional, isn't it? Particular profession. What is pilots? So the pilots. The pilots have to be very well trained. Dash place where planes take off. Dash place. Take off and land is called dash aerodrome. So here also they talk about particular place. Aerodrome, isn't it? So particular place. So which article should come? The place, isn't it? The place where planes take off and land is called dash aerodrome. Aerodrome, A. So it starts with the letter A. It is a vowel, isn't it? So the article an should come. Okay. The place where planes take off and land is called an aerodrome. Okay. So aeroplanes have made traveling long distances very easy. So is it clear, children? Yes. So there are three articles A and D. So we have to place the article an before the word starts with vowel and vowel sounds. Okay. And we have to place the article A before the words which starts with other than the vowels. Okay. And when we talk about the particular place, thing or person, then we have to place the article the. Okay, we use the article the. Is it clear, children? Yes. So with that we have completed the articles. So go through the chapter and do the remaining. Okay, children. Also stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.